In this video, we're going to talk about the instruction LDA, which basically instructs to load data from memory address to accumulator. So if you again still have some familiarity with 8085, you should know that the memory address space or the individual address space in the memory is composed of 16-bit address, and the data inside this memory are of 8-bit. So in case of LDA, what we want to do is we want to fetch this particular 8-bit data using a 16-bit address. So the syntax is going to be LDA and a 16-bit address. So suppose we'll say we have some data F2H in memory location 2000H. Again, the addresses are represented in hexadecimal format. So if we want to load this particular data to our processor, we always load it, or the LDA always loads the data from memory to the processor's accumulator. So if we do LDA 2000H, now what this code will do is it will load the data content of the memory address 2000H to accumulator, which means F2H is going to come to the accumulator. So this is how we use LDA.